Hello everyone, I am Sajitanya. Welcome to SciTech Guru. In this video, I'm going to do a battery draining test in this Redmi K20 Pro, guys. You can see the model Snapdragon 855, and the RAM is of 8 GB and 128 GB memory. So the test is about the music player test. So recently, I started doing a lot of battery test in this Redmi K20 Pro, guys, because we all know that the processor is very good and it is capable of playing all the games and most of the applications, guys. So now I just want to clear that how is the battery backup in this Redmi K20 Pro. So that's why I'm doing a lot of battery test in this Redmi K20 Pro, guys. So in the future even I'll be doing a lot of tests like how much the battery will be drained if you're using a lot of video calls and voice calls, and if you're watching a lot of Netflix and Amazon Prime as well in the future. So stay tuned, guys. So right now the battery percentage you can see, guys, 100%. So I'm disconnecting the charger right now, and I'm even turning off the Wi-Fi as well, so doing the test. So let me go to the music player, guys. So I loaded a couple of songs which I'll be running in the loop. So I connected the earphones as well right now. So let me start playing that song, guys, and let me show you the volume what I'm using right now in this video, so you'll get a clear idea. So you can see, guys, right now the volume is about close to 60% right now. So I'll continue the test, guys. So you can check the time as well. Right now is 9:39 p.m. So I'll be running this test for a couple of hours, and then we can calculate how much the battery is draining for every 1 hour. So check the links in the description, guys, for more videos on this Redmi K20 Pro as well. So you'll get a clear idea about this mobile after watching all the playlist videos. So finally, guys, after 9 hours of playing this music test in this Redmi K20 Pro, the battery dropped to the 91% from 100%. So it means that for every 1 hour we can consider up to 1 to 2% of drop in the music player, guys, if you're playing the music. Just only the music. I did not turn on anything, guys. No mobile data, no Wi-Fi, no always on display enable, nothing, guys. So this is a test only on the music test. So overall you can expect up to close to 70 to 80 hours of music playback in this Redmi K20 Pro, guys. So that's it, guys. This is a quick review on the battery backup of this music test. So in the future I'll be doing a lot of battery test on this phone, because since the processor is very powerful, I don't want to test a lot of videos on the processor. So that's why I'm doing a lot of videos on the battery backup of this Redmi K20 Pro, guys. So thank you, guys, for watching. Check the links in the description, guys, for a playlist which contain full videos of Redmi K20 Pro. So it will be useful for you whether to buy this mobile or not. So see you in the next video, guys. Bye.